Describe each other in 3 words. Okay, Molly is a fat ass. 2, black ass. 3,
Black ass is gonna cry soon.
3, dumb ass. What's up, SB Squad? Welcome back to another video with my big sissies here, doing a sister tag part 2.
Older sisters.
Introduce yourself from oldest to youngest. What's up, guys? I'm the oldest and I'm Sia.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Molly. I'm the second eldest girl.
I am Chrissy. I am the 3rd eldest girl.
And I'm the youngest, baby bull.
Ew.
We're just gonna get straight into it. This one's gonna be a bit more intimate. Get to know a little bit more about my sisters, my family, and where I came from, and what I had to deal with growing up. So the first one is, which one is most likely to have a big family? Chrissy.
Christine.
Chris.
Gulisi, me prissy.
What do you all do for work?
Yeah, let's start with you.
Oh, great. Why do you have to start with me? No, you start with the oldest.
No.
Okay, I'll go first. I work with Department of Human Services and I work in SAP security operations.
I am a caseworker for the Indigenous community, very similar to social work.
I am a manager in retail and I have my own business and I'm also an investor in property. And Molly?
And I work as a stripper.
Okay. The next question is, what's your funniest / favorite memory with at least one of your sisters?
No, I think my funniest was our home videos with Molly. And
That's not probably me.
Mine was probably when we were in Samoa when I was with my sisters, Sia and Molly. Yeah, Chris missed out that time. It was such a fun time. I think that was the first time I've ever had so much fun in Samoa.
My funniest moment with my siblings, especially Chris and Vicky. We used to have to sing the pieces, and it was like the song Muli Muli Pinato Muli Muli Yeah Yesu, and Chris and Vicky used to always laugh all the time, and then it would make it even more funnier because we all then look at each other and I would pinch myself like to try not to laugh out loud because the next thing that's gonna come to our face is my dad's fist. And so that was really a funny moment.
Now, mine's probably local Mikey time.
Molly, retake.
Yeah.
No, don't do Lokomaki because I always just get in trouble.
Yeah, oh my gosh, I remember this one time Molly almost got smacked by one of the pool sticks. Because she kept getting her go loco wrong. My dad was like, I'm gonna make you. And then I come inside to my mom and my mom was cooking. I was like, Mom, what's a gill? And she was like, I'm in there. I was like, Dad said, go get the gill.
That's your funniest moment.
Cracker, as soon as Molly saw the gill, she was like, and she said it perfectly. So Samoans, that's a life hack for you. Every Samoan family's parents, like the serious ones, like our dad was a hard out father for
We used to
Lokomaki
practice
plays.
like months before.
We had to learn our lines, we had to act as though we were really there, like in the Bible. And Dad would give us threats leading up to Lokomaki, which is White Sunday for the kids, and then straight after is like, if you guys don't get your lines right, we're gonna get hiding. So, and then we would always have like McDonald's or KFC afterwards because that was our reward. What is something weird you eat?
I ate some yummy egg on toast with some jam. Spam the comments, guys.
I think some people like it.
Jam on toast with egg, fried egg. Oh, that is so delicious.
I figured out something I eat.
What?
I eat chips, like packet chips with sauce.
Oh, a lot of Islanders do that because that was a struggle.
No,
That's all
that
you had
wasn't,
to eat.
that's not really weird. Oh, don't try and discredit my thing. I like bacon with maple syrup.
Ugh.
See,
That's she's gone to France.
No, and ice cream and rice. I like ice cream
that's
and
just...
rice. Okay, so the next one is, what habits does your sibling have
that you would change if you could. So for Molly, her burping, you probably already
I don't even burp. Did I burp today? Did I?
Oh gosh, I can't stand when Molly burps.
Tune in on the video and see if that happens.
Every time, I think every time we've taken over.
I have not.
What's up, guys? I swear, you've probably already seen her burp in this vlog. For Chris, I will change her bulliness. I'll give her a bit more patience with people, because I get really scared when Chris gets frustrated. I'm like, anyway. And then for Sia, I'll probably change her memory. Give her some more gigabytes.
For Molly, she has got a very loud voice box, so this is called.
Shut up.
The Lord increased it in Molly.
Increase it to get to your big head. Your doofus ears that has too much wax.
The other thing I'll stop is Molly's really
No, you're done.
No, I want to tell you.
Finding it again.
Speaking of so much and
Chris,
I would change Molly's volume. I would adjust Molly's volume down a lot.
This is why I have to admit myself into mental home, because of these people.
No, I'm finishing because it took too long. For Victoria, I would change her lip sucking.
Yeah, lip sucking all
You
the
always
time.
sucked on her bottom lip.
Like no,
I can't help it, guys. And I think it's slowing down a little bit now that you're an adult. For Chris, I will change her seeing things through. Chris be like, yeah, that's a good idea, and then it just stays on.
Yeah, that's true.
Okay, now for me again. Victoria, I think she tests the waters. She's a bit lippy. Sia, Sia often forgets things that she says.
For Christine, I would change her mood swings all the time. And for Victoria, I would change her back chatting and never listening. That's why I have to talk so loud. I have to increase my voice, because these two, they have trouble listening. They need to work on their listening skills. And for Sia, I will say her attention span.
Okay, it's spam, Molly, not spam.
Spamda. Spamdix.
Are you closer now or when you were younger?
Ooh.
Now. Definitely now. I think the age
I think we've
difference.
always been close.
Oh, okay. Definitely now. I think the age difference before, because Chrissy and I were much younger, we like toys and stuff, and they were much older. They like boys and going out and stuff. But now we're all adults.
I think we are much closer now that we're older. And I think because we all live on our own now, so we actually cherish the time that we have together, because we're not together 24/7.
Nickname for each other.
Molly is Mole.
I don't like that.
Can you stop
Victoria
shouting?
is just...
I don't like it.
Sia
Mole.
was Dory or Nemo.
No, it wasn't Chris.
Oh, okay, well that was made up, but still we used to call her that sometimes.
Sia used to call me babe for so long. When I was growing up, she used to call me babe. Because I was the baby of the family. And you know what? When she got married, she kept calling me babe, and I was just like, okay, you gotta stop, because every time she called babe, we both looked at myself and her husband were like, yes, and if we're both in the room, we're both responding to her, but she don't know who she means. So, and my friends always used to say, why did your sister call you babe? That's so weird.
You know, it came from the Babe the Pig, didn't it?
Yeah, she did that.
You're such a troll, Chris.
No, honestly.
Okay, I call Christine.
She used to call her Boomba.
Christine or Ulysses. I call her Victoria.
Victoria.
I call Molly Mole.
B-B-I-G. Not Mole. Do not call me Mole.
Molly, 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 Molly.
Biggie's got a big
Molly.
Molly, stop hitting me! See what I have to put up with? She's so abusive.
It's so violent.
How often do you argue? Well, as you can see, it's pretty much every day with this one.
I do.
Yeah, it's about daily or every second day.
No,
Disagreements, I would say.
it's called the real love.
Describe each other in 3 words.
Victoria is strong,
Cry baby.
intelligent, and very argumentative, like persistent. She will not back down. She will fight you tooth and nail if she needs to. And that has made her to persist in life. For Molly, I will say rich, grand. Molly always wants to do the most. And also, Molly is loyal.
I appreciate that.
If you have Molly's trust and love, you'll be the most blessed person in the world.
Aww.
Oh my gosh, Molly's habit is she rubs her feet.
Oh, yeah.
And Christine's also rich. Christine is always got. She always
Food in her house.
Never lacking.
She got
Chris is really intuitive. She is switched on and also strong. Yeah, Chris got a fighting spirit. Same with Vicky. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Victoria's very intelligent, she's academic, she's very pretty, and when you lose the next 20 kilos, you will see the beauty come out. Christine, I will say she is a hustler, she be loyal, she's very family orientated, and she loves deep. She's got a bit of anger problem, but she loves deep.
Molly can't just compliment us.
Sia, she is very loving. She's the glue, keeps everything together. She's very supportive. She's like the light in the darkness. She brings so much things together.
Okay, so what's the question again?
And
Describe each other in 3 words.
Okay, next. Molly is very loyal. She's very outspoken. Molly is very determined. I'll give
Still
her
the same
that. She's
thing.
very driven.
Alright, we get it.
For Victoria, she's very emotional. She loves hard, very trustworthy, and she's very loyal to those who are loyal to her, and even loyal to those people who aren't loyal to her. She sees the best in people who really I do not see anything in. I think Sia is like the glue. She's
What kind of glue? Super glue or?
No, she's
You're the
smelly
master
glue.
glue.
PVA.
You're the master glue.
Sia sees the best in people. I think Sia loves very hard. She's very loyal, and she is very supportive and loving. Wow!
Molly's breathing so heavy. She's like, okay, so for me, okay, Molly is a fat ass. 2, black ass. 3,
Black ass is gonna cry soon.
3, dumb ass.
Vicky, hurry up.
She sounds like a hyena.
Molly done. Chrissy.
No, I didn't say it properly.
Oh my gosh, my camera's flashing.
Yeah.
Okay, so Molly, I think of royalty when I think of Molly, like extra.
High maintenance.
And I think of loyal. She's always there whenever I've needed her, and she always talks sense into me. And third one is very loyal and loving, but she's also expensive. That's what I meant to say. And Sia, she's like the mother figure. Even before she had kids, she was just a mother figure. She was born a mother. She came out of my mama already a mother. And
raising the siblings at
she's been paving the way for us since she was born. And her other one would be very intelligent. I think she's very smart. And the last one would be very godly.
Okay.
Chrissy, she's very tough in all aspects, like tough love, tough person. And then the next one would be she's very beautiful. You ain't know your sister girl be pulling it up, guys, back there. It's very loyal, and she has such a fun spirit. That's another thing. She's like very fun and exciting. That's her kind of person. Okay, so if you it's gonna die soon. Should we eat first?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we're gonna be back because oh my gosh, look at my hair. Okay, guys, so sorry about that. We just had to have a little snack. We're back again. We had to charge the battery a little bit, so we got to be super quick with this one so that we can get it done before it dies. So we were up to, if you got a call that your sibling was in jail, what would be the first crime that comes to your mind?
Sia would be protesting. She would be doing outreach. Victoria would be because she was too emotional to speak, so they'd have to take her in for 24 hours. Molly would be probably because she got into an argument that got a bit physical, and that's it.
I would say Victoria. She will be because she just cannot keep her lippy shut because she just wants to fight everybody and
Yeah?
I would say for Chris, her road rage.
No.
She just needs some, you know, management on the road. I would say Sia, probably because she's gonna bail these two fatties out.
Yeah.
Molly, why are you negative?
I think
dang.
Molly will get locked up because someone's done her bad business deal and they did not own up to it, so Molly had to take care of business. Victoria, because she was trying to fight someone who was trying to hang on to Siaosi. And Chrissy because
Was I fight for
no, someone cut her off on the road and she was gonna fight to the police station. I think Molly would really like, I could see Molly getting feisty with someone at work because
I'm
they
not even like
challenge.
that.
Chrissy, she'll be getting feisty on the road. Someone cut her off, then they stuck her finger up, so she said pull over, and then they didn't pull over. Yeah. Anyway, that didn't happen for real. This is just hypothetical.
Hypothetical in the trees last week. The smartest thing that I think one of my sisters have ever done, pull up the pants and wipe their ass.
What? Molly, how can you pull up your pants and wipe your bum? Is that how you be doing it? So your ass is always stinky, your stinky ass. Your big ass.
I will say,
So many boyfriend asses. Okay guys, so this is our last question for the night. Okay, so what do you all have in common? Beauty? Beauty? I think our ability to build, to take nothing and turn it into something.
resilience.
Yeah, resilience. My point that I want to say is, I think the, Molly, you made me lose my train of thought. Stop leaning on me, big troll. I think the want, Molly, this is a serious
Hurry
segment.
up then, you.
The want to help people. I think every single one of us, like, and I think that's taught from my dad, always wanting us, he always wants to help people, no matter how little he has. And I think that we've got that characteristic in us.
And endurance from mum.
Okay guys, so that is the end of our sister tag part 2. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on post notifications so that you get every time we upload and you never miss out. Comment down your favorite part, quotes, share it with your family, your friends. And we love you guys so much.